Hey everyone, so I have a dollar store or Dollar Tree tutorial for you today. I made these cute little succulent hangers for my bathroom because, well, one of my bathrooms, the kids', I'm redoing it and making some funny signs, and they're all growing up, so yeah, I'm just updating it a little bit. I got these wooden dowels from the Dollar Tree, they're 6 inches, and I also got these succulents. They had little clips on the bottom. I just cut them off and then added a little bit of hot glue so they didn't come apart. And I already started, and then I figured I should film because it was quick and I really liked how they came out. So I'm just putting them together in a triangle with some hot glue. I am adding some more glue around it to hold. You're going to cover it later with twine, so it doesn't matter if it looks messy or not. You just want it to hold together very good. So next you're going to take 3 more and you're going to do another triangle, but obviously on top to make it look 3D. So you just put glue again on all the sides and then connect them. So again, I'm just adding more glue to keep it together because again, I am hanging this in my bathroom. So I want it to be very sturdy, and I don't mind a messy glue because again, you can cover it with the twine if you choose to. So now you want to get 2 more sticks out or dowels, and you're going to want to cut them in half. I'm just using some wire cutters because that's just what I have on hand and I don't mind. So I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and in the end it's pretty much in the middle. And you need 3 to make the triangle inside to hold the succulent. And I'm just going around the dowel and cutting it until I can break it with my hands. So now that it's broken, I am just using a really rough side to a nail file to smooth it down. It works really good. I'm doing it on both sides, but this one, it has like the pinched wood. So if you want, you can cut it off. Or like, again, you can cover it with the twine and it doesn't matter. So I'm just filing it down. And cutting the 3rd piece from the 2nd piece. So now you just want to glue it on the inside to make a smaller triangle, and then yeah, I'll be back. So this is what it should look like so far. You just want to let all the glue dry. Add more when you need or where you need to. Again, you want it to be sturdy. And then I was gonna go between black and brown twine, and I went with black because I'm doing bathroom signs as well, and all the frames are black, so I thought that would look nice. And that's what it looks like without the twine. Kind of messy with the glue, but I don't know, I almost kind of liked it and I almost left it, but yeah. So again, I just got this twine at a local thrift store. It was 29 cents. So like this project cost me $2 because $1 for the dowels, $1 for the succulent, and then 29 cents for the twine that I got at a thrift store. It's awesome, and I made 3. So I'm just gonna take the longer piece of twine that I cut and add a tiny bit of glue and then just start wrapping it around, and I'm going to do that to all the sides, and I will be back. Okay, so that's how I did the little one, and now it's all done, and I put the succulent in, and here's what it looks like. And here it is hanging in the bathroom. I am so excited how this turned out. Any questions, please let me know. Follow me over on Instagram. See you later. Bye.